KRMN Stock Analysis and Price Predictions for Thursday and next week. Easy to buy. We'll watch this 2-minute video till the end to find out. Look, I'm the only guy in the space with 49,000 live trades and analysis videos on this channel. So seeing what's working for me and what's not. Just looking at Karman Holdings. Zooming this thing out. I have 20 plus. I mean, it's 20% up here. It's good. Not the best. But ultimately, like, the only thing that I'd like to see is just... I mean, this is a bearish market for me, genuinely speaking. It's starting to sort of pump up. Even when I try and zoom in, not that fruitful, I mean, not at least not to my liking, but you can, like, I'm leaving it to do with whatever you want. But all I'm saying is that if I do see these double breaks towards the downside, this is a bearish market for me. Right, so that's KRMN. Obviously not financial advice. If you want to get my exact 3-step technical strategy that I've refined over the last 5 years completely free, link is in the description. Bye-bye.